The following is a reading of a true story told by a fellow Alaskan of an incident in 1999 on the Richardson Highway in Fairbanks. This story contains graphic information. Discretion is advised. I don't remember the impact. Clipping the moose at the knees, its body launching into the air, then crashing down through the windshield into our laps. Weighing the equivalent of 3 refrigerators, the moose, it seemed, had dropped out of the sky like a bomb. The next few seconds were lost. When I blinked back into consciousness, the car was at a 45-degree angle off the right shoulder. I remember the gamey smell of moose hair, the twitching of a hind leg, and the tinkling of glass as the last few fragments drizzled down from where the windshield used to be. My right hand was raw and studded with glass. My cheek was split. My right eyelid was ragged. I had a gash in my scalp, cuts across my forehead. I had glass in my hair, ears, mouth, and shoes. The bulk of the animal was in my husband's lap. I shouted his name. Nothing. I heard voices as the other motorists started to gather. Several men grasped the moose by its legs and strained to pull it off my husband. I heard the body hit the pavement, then a moan. "Your husband's alive," I heard someone say. Alive.